Ever found yourself staring at the ceiling, unable to drift into sleep, wondering what went wrong? What if the secret to a good night's sleep lies not just in your bedtime routine, but also on your dinner plate? Welcome to our channel, where today we'll uncover how healthy eating can lead to optimal sleep. Our bodies are intricate systems where diet and sleep are closely linked. Consuming certain foods can enhance sleep quality, while others might disrupt it. Let's delve into the nutrients that play a pivotal role in promoting restful sleep. First up, tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin and melatonin, the hormones that regulate sleep. Foods like turkey, nuts, and seeds are excellent sources. Magnesium, known as nature's relaxant, calms the nervous system and is found in leafy greens, bananas, and avocados. Calcium aids the brain in using tryptophan to create melatonin, and you can find it in dairy products, kale, and broccoli. Vitamin B6, essential for melatonin production, is abundant in fish, chickpeas, and fortified cereals. Incorporating sleep-friendly foods into your diet can be simple and enjoyable. A handful of almonds provides magnesium and healthy fats. Studies suggest eating kiwi before bed can improve sleep onset and duration. Chamomile tea is known for its calming effects, making it a perfect pre-sleep beverage. Fatty fish, rich in omega-3s and vitamin D, enhances sleep quality, while whole grains like oatmeal release insulin to help tryptophan enter the brain. To improve sleep, avoid certain foods and habits before bedtime. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, and chocolate, can disrupt sleep even hours after consumption. Heavy or spicy meals late at night can cause discomfort and indigestion. And while alcohol might make you drowsy, it can interfere with your sleep cycles. Meal timing is just as important. Have dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bed to allow for digestion. If you need a snack, opt for something light and sleep-promoting, like a banana or a small bowl of yogurt. Establishing a consistent eating routine is key. Regular meal times and balanced nutrition support your body's natural circadian rhythms and help signal your body to wind down. By making mindful choices about what and when you eat, you can pave the way for more restful nights and energized days. A balanced diet is a cornerstone of good sleep hygiene. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others seeking better sleep through healthy eating. Sweet dreams and good night.